What's going on, guys? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer and welcome to my Hostinger review. Hostinger is one of the cheapest and most affordable shared hostings you will ever find, and in today's video we are going to have a look at what they are made of. So in this Hostinger review I'm going to break down the pricing structure, the features we are offered, ease of use, as well as their support. At the end of the video, as usual, I'm going to give you my honest recommendation whether Hostinger is actually for you. Just a quick note, if you decide after the video that Hostinger is the right choice for you, then I will leave a direct link to the best available offer for Hostinger in the description below, together with any promotional discounts or special offers for you to use and get a better price. Now, without further ado, let's get going. Hostinger was founded back in 2004, so they are one of the most well-established platforms out there. Hostinger is very well known for their cheap and affordable shared hosting. However, on the other hand, they are offering all sorts of other web hosting services, including cloud hosting, WordPress managed hosting, VPS hosting, and even Minecraft hosting. So there is definitely something to choose for everybody. When it comes to the actual features Hostinger is offering us, there are a few that really stand out. First of all of the plans come with SSD drives, which just give naturally higher speed and better performance. Apart from that, there is also unlimited bandwidth as well as free SSL certification, which is nowadays an industry standard. All of the plans come with either weekly or daily backups, and we are also getting free domains, but only on the higher plans. If you already have a website and you're thinking about changing your web hosting provider, Hostinger is offering you a free migration. It is an automatic system, it's very simple to navigate in and just follow up, and you can do it by yourself. In addition to that, Hostinger is also offering one-click CloudFast CDN installation, which is very easy to do inside of your system. Apart from that, Hostinger offers a standard 30-day money-back guarantee for all of your purchases. A great thing about web hosting from Hostinger is that you can choose a data center from 7 different regions all over the world. In this way, you can choose the best data center according to your traffic's location. Now let's have a look at what Hostinger is mostly well known for, and that's the prices. Hostinger offers 3 different plans for their shared hosting. Firstly, it is the single plan, which starts only for 99 cents per month. Then we get the premium plan, which is for $2.19 per month. And then we get the business plan, which is for $3.99 per month. Now note that all of these prices are promotional prices for the 4-year plans. Any other renewals are going to be for the original prices, which you can see just down below. Now the key differences among all of the plans are in the features we are getting. Firstly, the single plan comes with only 1 website and 1 email account, while the premium and the business plan come with 100 websites and 100 email accounts. Free domain is also missing from the single plan, and the bandwidth is limited only in the single plan, where you get only 100 gigabytes. Premium and business plan have unlimited bandwidth. Apart from that, as Hostinger is using SSD drives, the storage is also going to be limited. With single plan you are getting 30 gigabytes of SSD storage, premium plan comes with 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, and the business plan has 200 gigabytes of SSD storage. Apart from that, daily backups are only available with the business plan. Single and premium plan come with weekly backups. As you can see, Hostinger is very transparent and clear about the differences between their plans, so you can just have a look at it by your own and decide which one fits you the most. If I would recommend you anything, it all depends on what you're looking for. If you are just starting out and you're looking for a web hosting for your first website, then the single plan is the best choice for you. If you have more pages with lower traffic, then the premium plan is the great option. And if you have a lot of traffic with your websites, then I would go for the business plan. One of the most important aspects of any web hosting provider is the actual speed and uptime you are getting. At the end of the day, you want your website to be always accessible at the best possible speed to your customers. With Hostinger, you are getting an uptime guarantee of 99.9%, which is an industry standard. There are also other providers who are offering even higher one, which is 99.99%. So having 99.9% of uptime guarantee is the industry standard. However, it is still a decent uptime guarantee. In order to get a relevant speed result, I have created a simple WordPress website using Hostinger's system. Then I have run a series of speed tests using GTmetrix. The results you can see over here. The load page time is 1.1 second and the GTmetrix grade is A. Now keep in mind that the load page time of the website is directly dependent on the size of the website, so as you are going to use more pictures or embedded videos, you might see that the speed results are a little bit slower. However, this is still a great result and definitely a go. When it comes to the actual backend and the ease of use, with Hostinger we are getting their own custom control panel called H-Panel. Now this one is a very easy, simple to use and navigate in panel. It has a very clear design where you can find literally everything that you need. One-click installations of not only WordPress but also Cloudflare's CDN or SSL certifications are included, and it is literally perfect for newbies as well as those who have already experience with web hostings. No matter if you're a complete beginner or a pro, you always want to have a knowledgeable support at your disposal. Now with Hostinger we are getting support from live chat, knowledge base as well as their email ticket support. There are no phone calls as a way of support, and there is also no live chat support for potential customers. Now this is something where Hostinger really lacks and is behind of the competition, as many of their main competitors have live chat support both for customers and non-customers. Nevertheless, I've tried out their live chat support as a customer with several different issues. The associates were always willing to help, guide me and explain to me how to actually do those things, and at the end of it, the issues were always resolved. I highly appreciated the kindness and the personal touch of the associates, which made the experience of dealing with the support even better. So all in all, would I recommend you Hostinger? Hostinger is one of the most affordable web hosting providers you will ever encounter. At the same time, they offer pretty decent set of features and their performance is comparable to other providers. The only downside that I really see is that their lower tier plan has too many restrictions even on some of the standard features. But again, you can get it for less than $1 a month, so I'm not that surprised over here. At the end of the day, you're still getting a great deal for your money. So yes, I would definitely recommend Hostinger for you. So if you've decided after this video that Hostinger is the right choice for you, then I highly encourage you to check the description below for any potential discount codes, special prices or promotional codes, as well as a direct link to the best available offer on the Hostinger website for you to use and get the best possible price. So this is it guys for today. If you liked the video, give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever I post a new content, and if you have any questions or comments, do not hesitate to put them down below. This is it again, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.